Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ayomide Graphix. In this video, we will be learning how to create word cloud text effect with PicsArts. Without wasting much of your time, let's get into it. Now you click on the PicsArt app. Now we are in it, we are in the environment, PicsArt environment. Now you click on the plus icon. When you click on it, click on see all. It's loading. Then you choose the picture you want to edit. Yes, we are choosing this picture. Then we scroll, then click on add photo. Now we are adding the word cloud. You can download your own word cloud on Google by typing word cloud on a topic. For example, word cloud on life, word cloud on sport, word cloud on animation. So let's continue. Scroll, then click on blend. That's it, blend. Then you click on multiply, make sure it's on multiply, then you mark it. Then after that, you click on let's scroll to effect. Now we click on effects. Now if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button, then click on the subscribe button again, then click on all to get all notifications. Now let's continue. Now let's check the first one, that is HDR1. No, I don't like that. Let us check noise. No, let us edit it. I don't think noise will be good. Let us check. No, let's go to sharpen. Oh, that's good. Now I think I like sharpen. Then go to multiply. No, let's go back to normal. Then you take the fade to 0. I think that will be good. Yeah, that's good. I think this is sharp enough. Then you mark it. Wow, I think this is lovely. Then you download it. You click on the download, that is the icon at the top there. Download. As simple, as easy as that. If you like this video tutorial, kindly like, share to your loved ones, or give a comment on what you think about this video tutorial. And if you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.